Today I'm going to show you how to make cherry filling with these delicious fresh cherries. Let's get started. You need a medium saucepan, a spatula. We're going to start by putting 1/4 of a cup of water into the saucepan. That is 60 milliliters. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, that is 8 grams. Give that a stir. This is what will thicken our mixture. Add 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar in. That's 50 grams. Give it a stir. And then we're adding 1 cup of cherries. These are fresh. They've been pitted and then quartered. Put those in. Just going to give that a stir. And we're going to turn the heat on to medium. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Around the 5-minute mark, you should see the mixture starting to thicken and bubble. When you see that, you want to just remove it from the heat. Okay, the mixture is simmering and bubbling. I'm going to give it just a little couple stirs here, and then we'll go ahead and just remove it from the heat. Pour this into a heat-proof bowl. This needs to cool down before we can use it. Doesn't it look beautiful? So yummy. So I wanted you to see how the cherry filling turned out. This is just glossy and smooth and beautiful. It's the perfect consistency. Look at that. Yum. So I actually made some homemade Danish and I put the cherry filling on that. If you want the recipe for this cherry filling, it is in the description below. And if you want to know how to make these Danish, check out my cream cheese Danish recipe. And I will see you there.